Final module learning assignment, I will be focusing on game-based learning. Students at this point are at the end of their topic of similar figures. So one of the things I wanted to focus on is for them to review for their test. My instruction would start with a warm-up that the students would have time to solve, and then we would go over it. Then I would have this displayed for the students. Also, they would have access in their Google Classroom to this actual lesson. On the left, I have the lesson essential questions that we've covered. And then on the right are some vocabulary. So what I would do is ask the students to go ahead and locate their notes, make sure their notes have all this information, and then see if they're able to answer these questions. They should be able to answer these questions comfortably. All right, so for my game-based learning, initially I started out with the students for the review on previous lessons with looking at their notes, asking questions, and highlighting. And then we just kind of elevated up to Khan Academy. This works out great if students missed the class or they just needed some additional information or practice. So for the final module learning assignment, I focused on Kahoot. Okay, so for Kahoot, it is a game where they would review for similarity. So I would have them work on this as teams. So they have teams, which would be a group of three that will work on this. But I have these three different choices for them. So that way they can go ahead and select which one's going to be better for them. And then we would conclude. So some would get finished at different points in time of their review. Then I would have them individually wrap up with IXL, which is also on the computer, but this time they would do the challenges individually. Okay, I just wanted to go ahead and look at the Kahoot here. Kahoot challenge. Hold on just a minute. That's not the one I want. Let's see, right up here. Okay, so for the Kahoot, they would need to use their team name, okay? And then they would go ahead and get started. There's like 14 questions based on similarity. That is it for reviewing my information for my final module learning assignment. Thank you.